There is nothing worse than being a busy mom and not being able to find a lid to a plastic container when you need it most. Big B Little B sent me these soft shell reusable silicone food storage containers to test out, and there is one thing that caught my eye immediately. First, let's just take a look at the lovely beehive design on the top. These containers aren't just functional, but they have style, so I'll give them that. Now let's get talking about how you use these containers. This one here is the thinner one, measuring about less than an inch thick. The purple silicone container opens the exact same way, but this one has 3 compartments, which are great for kids' lunches, and this one measures about 2.25 inches thick. There is a slide latch right on the front that locks and unlocks the container. And finally, the last one I have is the thickest one, measuring 3.25 inches deep. Now, all of them are squares that are 7 by 7 inches. You will also receive helpful hints that tell you how best to use these containers and what to do if you get stains on them. It's fairly straightforward. Now, these containers can be put in the freezer, microwave, dishwasher, and fridge, making them super versatile. The first thing I did was wash them in the dishwasher, and they fit well in my bottom rack and wash great. Perhaps by now you can tell what's so unique about these containers that just makes me so happy. If you haven't noticed by now, the lids to these containers are attached, so you don't have to be that mom like I usually am, scrambling to find a lid that matches its container. That in itself is a huge time and energy saver. Now, what can we put in these containers? These are great for leftovers. You might think the thinner container may not have a lot of use, but I beg to differ. I have leftover beef links and they are thin to begin with, and most containers are too big for it. So I end up wasting plastic bags. This thinner container is perfect for something like these beef links, leftover eggs even, or anything that are on the thinner side. You'll be surprised how much you can use these. Now for the thicker single compartment container, it's a perfect size for leftovers, but for today, I'm just going to be putting my cilantro in here to keep it fresher for longer. I have a large head of cilantro, so this is just perfect for it. I can even press down on it to get the air out to make it more compact. Finally, the 3-compartment container is great for kids' lunches, but of course you can use it for other things as well. My daughter has soccer tomorrow and she loves to eat fruits right after practice, so I'll be giving her grapes, strawberries, and 2 oranges. She doesn't like me peeling her oranges beforehand, so I'll just leave them like this. Now, although these are silicone, they're not squishing the fruits. You can see even after I was pressing down on the fruits, they're still as is. When you stack these on top of each other, they stack well. I thought that because the bottoms are silicone material, they might fall over or not stack well, but somehow that's not even an issue. This brand considered practicality in their design and a mom's sanity, so I am really appreciative of that.